Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and toggling the feature. Make sure your Samsung uses an AMOLED panel and runs One UI 2, 0 or newer. This is why AOD exists. Once done, charge the phone above 10% because Battery Saver can block it. Now go straight to Settings, tap Lock Screen, and choose Always on Display. You're not finished yet. Enabling the switch activates AOD, but you'll customize what appears and when in the next step. Now you'll tailor how Always on Display looks and behaves. You can pick a clock style, add widgets like calendar or music, or use a custom image. That's how you match function with style. Then set a schedule, choose Always, a specific time range, or tap to show for 30 seconds, because scheduling saves battery. Finally, adjust brightness and dimming so AOD is visible without draining power, and toggle notification icons or media controls to fit your daily use. Finish by saving your settings and locking the phone to test Always on Display for 10 to 30 seconds. If it doesn't appear, reboot the device first, then check for conflicting battery or display optimization apps and temporarily disable them. These often block AOD. Make sure system updates are installed. If problems persist, reset settings, not a full factory reset, or contact Samsung support. This one troubleshooting tip. Disable
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.